today's topic is Navratras 2020 alert. So this video I'm making for this reason that many of you wanted to know that why Navratras, what is the difference of 2020 Navratras of this particular time phase. Okay, so yes, there is an alert that this time approximately after 160 years, yes, 160 years, this leap year and the Adhik Mas have come together. Okay, and this is the reason, I know these are astrological terms, that this time the Pitra Shraddhs are ending on 17th of September 2020, and every year immediately after the Shraddhs the Navratras used to start. Okay, however this time it is not like this. Okay, many of you must have read it already in newspapers and other articles on the internet that Navratras are starting 1 month later from Shraddh. Okay, so I want to just make it very clear, because many of you wrote to the team that please tell Guru Didi to clarify, is it really happening like this, and what are the consequences of such yoga that is formed, or the stars or the cosmic things that are getting formed out there. So yes, this is true that after 1 month of the Shraddh, the Navratras will start this time. Okay, it's a big delay, and the reason I've told you that it's a leap year after 160 years this has come. Okay, so now due to the astrological changes, Navratras will start 1 month later. I've written date of Navratras will be 17th of October 2020. 17th of October 2020 Navratras will start. The first day of Navratra will be 17th of October 2020. Okay, please write this down, people who are willing to have the correct information for any such new work or their business things. Okay, so from 18th September to 16th September October 2020, no auspicious work, okay, can be held. So now what kind of auspicious work? I'm talking about, like, you have the ritual of the haircut, which is called as Mundan in a Hindu ritual. It's a Hindu ritual, okay, in the Hindus. That cannot be performed for a child. Okay, this I'm telling for my overseas clients. It's a ritual for shaving off the hair of the child, okay, a small child. So this cannot take place. Okay, marriage related matters, whether it's doing the horoscope checking, or any sort of marriage engagement, roka, or even marriage for that matter, so that cannot take place at this time. Okay, new work and business matters, anything to do with new work, new job, new growth and financial stuff cannot happen. You cannot start a new business, new work at this time. All right, so this is what it is. Okay, so this time from 18th September till 1 month, it is extremely good for few things. Now that is something I'm going to name right now. Okay, see, people who are into spiritual work, people who are into meditations, yoga, things which are related to these kind of fields, okay, puja, sadhanas, okay, or even siddhis they want to actually acquire. So a lot of prayers happening, a lot of research work happening, a lot of things for which you need some sort of isolation, where you find out things, you investigate things about any particular matter. It can also be writing your thesis. So this time, this whole 1 month from 18th of September that I'm talking about 2020 is extremely good for such activities. Okay, now I don't mean to say that if you've already started something, okay, before this time, I mean even before Shraddh, and you're continuing to do it and you're progressing in it, then that will not be called as starting a new work. What I mean to say is starting a new work is completely, seeding something absolutely new. For example, I clarify this because I don't want loads of mails coming in for clarifying this confusion. I'll give a 2 example. What I mean to say is that if you've already started a work 2 months back or 1 month back before Shraddh, and you're continuing it, and you're progressing in it, and you're getting benefits. And now in that work, if you're trying to do a new I don't know, some sort of a addition, you know, so that will not be called as completely new. You can do that. But if you're thinking all of a sudden of starting a new business altogether without you know, in the past worked on it, or your project was ready, and then, so that is something that I'm calling as completely new, something that you have not done before and now you want to start it, okay, right from the scratch. You cannot do that. That is what I mean. Okay, so people who are also into tarot card reading, occultists, they will find a good time to increase their knowledge levels, okay, and progress ahead. So this is an excellent time for the debut tarot card people who have been you know, associated with this work, or who want to get associated with this work. This time is, this new thing starting is not for these people, okay. People who are into sadhanas, people who want to really do some mantra enchantings, okay, they can go ahead. I am talking about the normal people who are not associated with this kind of field of meditation. For them, you cannot start any new work. But anything to do with research, anything to do with spiritual things, this is a great time, okay, to enhance your qualities, to enhance your knowledge, to enhance your wisdom, okay. So make sure you you know, take out the best benefit out of this time. This whole 1 month, you can do wonders if you really want to learn something ahead, or you want to research something on your own, you know, experiments that you're doing spiritually as an occultist as well, okay. So another very important thing is that research and detailed findings for any complicated black magic cases. Yes, I'm coming to that point that many of you wanted to know, and you've written to the team, to Ajay, that what about the diagnosis that Guru Didi and the team is doing, you know, what about that? Can that take place? The pujas will take place, or the pujas will not take place? Pujas will take place. Only Shraddh was the time when pujas were at halt, okay, because of because we do not do any Devi Pujan for the normal public, we do it for ourselves, okay. So anyways, I will not go to the technicalities. So finding out, for example, if there's a very complicated and a very old black magic case, or a supernatural paranormal activity happening, and you really need to find out the details, this is the time that you should approach a correct specialist. This whole 1 month, 30 days, okay. There are some kind of yogas out there, yogs which are there, the constellations and the stars out there in the universe, which have come together as one calculation, in which no hidden elements can escape from a person who's into this field of you know, occult sciences. So for, if you really want to go ahead with your diagnosis to find out that, you know, the most complicated versions of cases where you really need you know, a good time along and a good luck with yourself to find out the details, okay, this is one of the best timings that you can actually approach a specialist. So if you really want, I've written here, so people who are going through a long years of black magic, listen to this very carefully. People who are going through long years of black magic, okay, or paranormal problems, they should definitely contact a case for the case study and diagnosis. We have kept a section of case study and diagnosis, everybody knows about it. So I'm talking about people who did not get the bookings previously because of loads of cases coming in. They can try right now, and if they are going through, or their family is going through 40 years or 30 years of black magic also, they must go for the diagnosis at this time. This is a wonderful time for black magic victims to make sure that what is that root cause, you know, and what is that you know, thing that has been seeded against them from years altogether, and for the findings of those things. So put in your bookings, get in touch with Ajay and the team. If you get a booking right now, great, you know, this is a great time for the diagnosis. So that is about it. This is the alert of 2020 Navratras. that I wanted to give. Okay, so do not think that this whole month is a wastage of time. No, even people who are from the normal section of the corporate section, they can also do their research work and, you know, benefit out of this month tremendously. Okay, so they can do some I don't know, you get these projects or your workshops, or you're enhancing your learnings in a corporate sector as well. So a lot of learnings, a lot of research work is meant to happen during this whole one month. So do not you know, let it go waste like that. Okay, so this is the reason I wanted everybody to utilize this time. That's why hence I made this video. Next week another topic. Till then, goodbye.